What's going on, everybody? I just wanted to take a quick second and say thank you to all of my old and new subscribers. The channel now has over 100 subs, which is just awesome, especially since I haven't posted in over a month. And since I had 87 subscribers at the time of my last post, that means that over 30 of you, despite the fact that I didn't have any recent content, still decided to subscribe. Thank you all so much. I hope I can continue to make content that you guys enjoy. And let's go for 1,000. So recently, all my Bluetooth speakers decided to crap out. So naturally, I decided to try and build my own. Really, all I had to do was just build an enclosure. For the speaker parts, I used the Rockler speaker wireless stereo speaker kit. Link in description. This was probably one of the easiest projects that I've done on this channel so far. In fact, as long as you have some drill bits and some wood, you can build yourself a speaker. I decided to make mine pretty unique looking, but you can go as simple or basic as you want to. Take a look. Come on, you piece of trash. Work. Play music. I think that this kit kicks ass. I should probably say that I'm not sponsored by Rockler to say that, but I also don't think that anybody would believe that a channel of this size has any sponsors, so moot point, I guess. But I just really like this kit. I mean, for 40 bucks, the sound quality is awesome, and it doesn't get easier than this. No wiring, no soldering, no real fuss. Of course, I could have made it easier for myself by not throwing in some pointless LEDs and a leather wrap, but damn if I don't love the aesthetic. Anyways, that's all I got for you guys this week. I'd like to say that I'm going to start posting a lot more frequently, but we'll see what happens. If you like my content and you're not yet subscribed, then do me a favor and hit the subscribe button. And if you like this video, then hit the like button. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.